Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of transporting massive, heavy machinery and oversized loads. Experience the skill and precision required for these challenging operations as we showcase some of the most thrilling maneuvers in the industry. Let's get started. Let's dive into an impressive heavy transport mission. A 102.5-ton glacial erratic rock was salvaged using a Liebherr LTM 1750, a 9-axle 800-ton crane, which expertly handled the estimated 140-ton load, a remarkable feat of engineering and precision. Let's watch the journey of moving the Orbital O2, the world's most powerful tidal turbine, generating 2 MW of power and EMEZ in Orkney, supplying 2,000 homes annually. Its twin 21-meter rotors highlight a significant step in tidal energy and low-carbon innovation. Next, let's explore the transport of a massive transformer from a Bavarian harbor using an SPMT. With hydraulic axles and a capacity of up to 15,000 tons, this operation ensures smooth, precise movement of the several hundred-ton transformer efficiently. This is the heavy haulage of a $12 million yacht to the exhibition site. Trucks pulled the 110-ton, 29-meter-long mega yachts from the pontoon ashore for display at the Boot 2024 boat show in Germany, showcasing impressive logistics. SeaTech successfully transported a 385-ton crane and 6 mega transformers to Kenya, covering distances of up to 825 kilometers. Their expertise in heavy cargo logistics was showcased by their precision handling of units, weighing up to 91 tons, highlighting the impressive scale and complexity of the operation. Zeynel Bey Mausoleum, built in 1475, was relocated in Hasankeyf, Turkey, to avoid flooding from the Ilisu Dam. Weighing 1,100 tons, its move aimed to preserve heritage, despite concerns over displacing 25,000 residents and environmental impacts. On September 13, 2017, the 75-meter-long Transrapid 09 maglev train, consisting of 3 25-meter sections weighing around 40 tons each, was transported overnight from Leiden to Northrop, about 60 kilometers away. It was purchased for €200,001. A Cat Model 993 loader weighing around 50 tons is being transported for dismantling. Its robust design ensures durability under tough conditions, while features like enhanced visibility and the optional Cat MINDAR Detect system improve safety during loading operations. Let's explore a special design. Centurion's new tire trailer transports heavy mobile equipment tires up to 3.5 meters tall and 6,000 kilograms. Its triple road train configuration improves safety and doubles productivity while minimizing manual handling. This is the world's largest container ship, the Ever Ace. Launched in 2021, it boasts a capacity of 23,992 TEUs and measures 400 meters in length and 61.5 meters in width. This significant advancement in maritime shipping showcases enhanced efficiency and capacity for global trade. On January 6, 2024, an 800-ton petrochemical splitter was transported from Edmonton to the Heartland Petrochemical Complex. This equipment, crucial for producing recyclable polypropylene plastic, marked the largest load ever moved on Alberta's highways, utilizing 6 trucks over 3 days. Transporting wind turbine blades over 30 meters long and weighing over 100 tons is an impressive achievement. ACOSA successfully executed this challenging operation for the San Juan de Marco wind farm, demonstrating exceptional precision and coordination in navigating complex terrain. The heavy transport of 2 CO2 gas tanks, each measuring 18 meters long and weighing approximately 70 tons, faced challenges from the outset. The operation drew attention because one tank tipped over, landing safely in a field, thankfully with no injuries reported. So impressive! A colossal 530-ton gas turbine navigates the heart of Munich, demonstrating Cobbler Spedition's heavy hauling expertise. This logistical feat showcases their ability to maneuver massive loads through tight urban spaces. Check out the Bucyrus 2570W, an impressive machine weighing over 4,700 tons and measuring 95 meters long, capable of digging up to 41.6 meters deep. It uniquely moves using a walking mechanism through 2 chutes, not wheels or tracks. Experience the powerful synergy of the Komatsu PC5500 and CAT 793C in mining transportation. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more captivating content. Your support helps us bring you more exciting updates. Transporting an 80-ton CAT 990 wheel loader, 5.4 meters wide and 4.5 meters high, from the Netherlands to Denmark is a great challenge. The journey showcased impressive logistical skills and expertise in handling oversized cargo. The Matterhorn Gothbond vehicle combines a passenger vehicle, a fire railway vehicle, and an ambulance wagon. Located at both ends of the 16 kilometers FKA tunnel, It can operate 24/7, evacuating up to 60 people at 50 kilometers per hour. Let's dive into the Pass Hulk, revolutionary sewer cleaning equipment mounted on a TGM 15.25 4x2 Euro 6 chassis. This advanced technology offers utilities, a powerful tool to tackle sewer contamination efficiently. In 2020, Baumann Heavy Transport executed a successful operation in Germany, moving a substantial load of 290 tons using a fleet of 5 specialized trucks. This project showcased their expertise in handling oversized and heavy cargo. The Yankee Dryer Transportation involved a superload of about 324,000 pounds, measuring 217 feet long and traveling approximately 300 miles. This impressive operation highlights exceptional logistical expertise and precision in handling such a massive load. Felbermeer showcased its engineering expertise by transporting a 530-ton bridge. Using innovative technology, the bridge was lifted 13 feet with hydraulic jacks for loading onto a self-propelled vehicle, highlighting their exceptional craftsmanship and problem-solving abilities. The Western Australian government has approved the use of extra long road trains in the P-Bar region. These modern vehicles, measuring 197 feet, with a tractor and 4 trailers, offer superior handling for transporting iron ore and other materials. Volvo's A60H ADT, with a payload capacity of 64 tons and a tipping load of 50 tons, was impressively transported from AGG 2020. This remarkable logistics operation showcases Volvo's engineering excellence and its ability to navigate challenging environments seamlessly. The Quip SW450 Low Loader, designed for mining sites, enhances efficiency and reduces costs. It features a load capacity of up to 50 tons and innovative swing wheel technology. Remarkably, one operator can complete the loading process in just 10 minutes, showcasing impressive productivity. GSNet specializes in ground, road, and hydraulic engineering, along with soil surveys and foundation pile testing. To enhance their capabilities, they acquired a Brochu's 3-bed 5-low loader with pendle axles, which has an impressive load capacity of 95 tons. Let's explore the MBD 100 bottom dump trailer, designed specifically for the CAT 775G. This impressive trailer boasts a remarkable load capacity of up to 100 tons and features advanced technology, including synchronized door valving for efficient unloading, making it ideal for heavy-duty mining operations. OMEPS introduced a 29 cubic meter double tipping tank truck with a lightweight aluminum chassis, handling 26 tons per load. It features stainless steel discharge cones, quick loading hatches, and pneumatic vibrators for efficient cleaning and material discharge. Next, let's head over to three massive road trains pulling onto the Stuart Highway in Australia. These colossal vehicles, each measuring over 50 meters in length and carrying loads exceeding 120 tons, are vital for transporting freight across the outback's vast, remote distances. Watch as Lazo expertly transports Lisbon's new overground metro cars. Utilizing Multimax semi-trailers with a 29-inch loading height, 6 steerable axles, and a powerful 20-ton hydraulic winch, they ensure smooth and efficient loading of these 50-ton vehicles with precision. The Oshkosh M1070 tractor efficiently transports tanks and armored vehicles, featuring a powerful 500 horsepower Detroit diesel engine and a maximum speed of 81 kilometers per hour. Its robust design makes it vital for U.S. Army logistics operations. The Mega Swing rail system allows for the transportation of any semi-trailer, expanding the rail market from 5% to 100% of European trailers. This enables terminals to boost volumes and market share with intermodal solutions. The Scania V8 R580 boasts a powerful 580 horsepower engine with a torque of 2,700 Nm, enabling it to carry loads up to 200,000 kilograms. Its robust design ensures reliability for heavy-duty transportation across diverse terrains. Mercedes trailers successfully transported the massive Caterpillar 994K wheel loaders, which weigh 242,604 kilograms. This operation highlights their expertise in managing heavy equipment logistics. For more details, check out the sources. The M3 amphibious rig, with a remarkable load capacity of 55 tons, functions effectively both as a standalone unit and as part of complex structures. It enables armed forces to cross water obstacles seamlessly, ensuring the continuous movement of troops and equipment. How can you transport huge wind turbine blades? Only with the help of serene professionals. Their powerful machines are engineered for giant-scale tasks. maneuvering massive loads as effortlessly as feathers across long distances with incredible precision. Vimo Tractorin utilizes a 3-axle semi-trailer with an eco-ramp, enabling the transport of 3 tractors simultaneously. This design allows for quick loading and additional space, enhancing efficiency in transporting wheeled and tracked vehicles. Heavy Haulage Australia led by J-Cash with the Kenworth C501 route specializes in transporting heavy equipment. The truck's robust design and high torque make it ideal for challenging logistics across Australia's rugged terrain. Transporting those massive 20 meters concrete beams on such a precarious mountain road is the epitome of a high-stakes operation. However, the D155AX bulldozer, with its monstrous power, makes it look like just another day at work. The Fanville Floatmax is a robust in-loader semi-trailer for glass transport, featuring a reliable securing system, high payload capacity, and enhanced stability with a one-piece chassis beam, designed for heavy seat glass on pyramids. Thank you for joining us on this thrilling journey. If you were captivated by these extraordinary transport operations, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, stay tuned for more incredible machinery in action.